Hi and welcome to the 2019 Paper 2 Junior Star Higher Level. This is question 11 we're on. As always, if you want the copy of the set notes I'm working off, just send me an email at shanetroy@gmail.com. That email address should be in the description below. So question 11 here is 15 D marks for part A and B together. Okay, I think that's all there is. Yes, it's only just the part A and B are the two parts. And it says here, in the diagram below, two of the sides have a length of S. You see there? Now it's a bit stretched, but even on the diagram from the actual paper, these don't look like they are the same length. Okay, but that doesn't mean they aren't. Okay, where 0 is between S and 6. And the S is a number 4, which just means it's a real number, so it can be any number, a fraction, decimal, whatever. All the angles are 90 or 270. Okay, so 90 and then 270 here. Okay, so the first thing says find a formula in algebra, in X in general terms, for the area of the shape in terms of S. So we want to find the area of this. Now, there's two different ways of doing it. I could get the area of this, okay, which would be S times S, be S squared. Okay, get the area of the big shape, which is 6 times 10. The big thing is 60, and then take them away. Okay, so 60 take away S squared. Now, when I did this originally, okay, that's not how my brain worked. Okay, so I did it longer, so I've been a bit pedantic here. And I split this into two different sections, section 1 and section 2. And I went, well, the area of the total thing is the area of the first bit plus the area of the second bit. The area formula is sent by Brett. Okay, so I said the area of 1 is you have your S term, okay, times, now this length here, okay, is 10 take away the S. Okay, that there is 10 take away S. Now if that's 10 there, take away S there, it's 10 take away S there. So it's S length by Brett is the area of that shape. Now if I do the maths of it or follow through on the simplification, S times 10 is 10S, S times negative S is negative S squared. Then I did the same thing for the second part, okay, and get rid of that. Okay, so again, we're now looking at this bottom part here, and this is length by breadth, so it's 10 times, and what's the length of this? Well, the full thing is 6, so that little bit there is 6 take away this, take away S. So this shape 2 is 10 times 6 take away S. That's expressed there. So 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times negative S is negative 10S. Then I went, right, let's put those two terms together. I'm adding this one and this one. I've done it here. Okay, so 10S take away S squared plus 60 take away 10S. Okay, that's just them two different terms filled in. And then do the maths. So the 10S here and the negative 10S here cancel. You're left with, usually because it's negative, the convention is often to write the number first. So 60 take away S squared. Obviously, the first way was easier. Okay, so the second bit here then says, show that or explain why the perimeter of this shape is always 32, no matter what the value of S. So basically, you have to remember the perimeter formula. It's not given. Actually, neither is the area of a rectangle formula. And it's just add everything. Okay, so if you go around the shape and add, now, what I've done is I've gone to add the 6 plus the 10. So they're expressed here. Then you go, okay, this little section here. Now we said that was 6 take away S, so I'm adding that on. That's expressed there. And I've done it in brackets just to illustrate that they're joined together. It won't actually affect anything. Then we have S, okay, so that's expressed here, plus the S here, okay, there. And the last little bit, the home stretch, that's the full length is 10, take away your S, that's 10, take away S. That's expressed here in brackets. And then I've just went left to right and moved brackets, okay, just the brackets go away with no penalty. Then I went, at the same time, for space, I went, well, negative S plus S cancel, they're gone. And the plus S here and the negative S here also cancel. So you're left with 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 6 is 22, plus 10 is 32. Okay, and that's basically proven or shown. And that's it. Okay, so thanks, and see you on question 12.